see. We've got a situation up on Bean Dip Mountain. What is it? It looks like tortilla chips.
Tortilla Avalanche, can you hear the sound? Chips are coming down, they're headed for the town now. Tortilla Avalanche, crunchy and they're salty. We've got to eat them all, cause they're headed for the mall. It's a tortilla avalanche.
Oh, is it a dream? People are screaming for guacamole. Tortilla Avalanche. Everybody, we've got to come together and save the town. Tortilla Avalanche. We will lead and act like a team. We'll taste victory tonight. Tortilla Avalanche. Keep on dipping, munching on the chips, on and on into the morning light.
Avalanche.
We need 2 tanker trucks of guacamole and a helicopter load of nacho cheese.
Got to keep on dipping,
Dip, 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 dip.
got to keep on crunching,
Crunch, 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 crunch.
got to keep on dipping,
Dip, 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 dip.
got to keep on crunching.
Crunch, 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 crunch.
Can you hear the sound? Chips are coming down, they're headed for the town now. Tortilla Avalanche.
Oh, is it a dream? People are screaming for guacamole. Tortilla Avalanche. Everybody, we've got to come together and save the town. Tortilla Avalanche. We will lead and act like a team. We'll taste victory tonight. Tortilla Avalanche. Keep on dipping, munching on the chips, on and on into the morning light.
We did it, everybody! We ate all the chips and saved the town!
Tortilla Avalanche.
Hey, we've still got some guacamole left. Could we get some more chips, please?